And I am Oreo. Oli, food is ready. Come eat, little one. Oli, first we wash hands. Dirty hands bring germs. Okay, Oreo. I'll wash next time too.
Oli, first we tidy our toys. Then cartoons. Deal?
Okay. See? Cleaning together makes it fun. Oreo, I can't find my dress.
Let me see.
If clothes are messy, we can't find anything. Come, let's fold them together.
See, Oli, now you'll be able to find everything easily.
We always stay clean, okay?
Okay, Oreo.